Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Salesforce certification coupons. First, always check the official Salesforce website for ongoing promotions or programs offering discounts. Many initiatives encourage certification. Next, actively engage with Trailhead. Completing modules or challenges often rewards you with valuable coupon codes. Finally, keep an eye on Salesforce community groups and events, as these are excellent sources for finding special offers. There are several reliable sources for finding these valuable coupons. Attending official Salesforce events, virtual or in person, often provides attendees with exclusive discount codes. These events are fantastic for networking and learning, plus you might save 50% or more on your exam. Additionally, joining local or online Salesforce user groups connects you with others who share coupon information. Don't forget to follow Salesforce's official social media channels for flash sales and announcements. To make the most of your certification coupons, always verify their validity and expiration dates. A coupon might offer a 25% discount, but it's useless if it's expired. Carefully read any terms and conditions associated with the discount code. Some may apply only to specific exams or regions. Sometimes, you can even combine certain coupons with other ongoing offers, potentially saving you a significant amount, perhaps even up to 75% on your exam fee. Always plan your certification journey around when coupons are available. This strategic timing can save you a lot of money. Subscribing to Salesforce's official newsletters is also a smart move, as they often send out exclusive discount notifications directly to your inbox. Remember, every dollar saved on certification means more resources for your professional development. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.